everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how I got ready for my 21st birthday. My birthday was yesterday, January 29th, and yeah, I turned 21. That's kind of really weird for me to say because all my life I feel like I'm still a 12-year-old. But anyway, so first I'm priming my eyelids, concealer, on the lids, everyone knows this. I'm going on to shadows and I'm using the Huda Beauty Nude eyeshadow palette. Going in with the shadow Bare to set in the concealer.
Have you motherfucking no attention?
I didn't want a super glam look. I mean, I'm queen of flaring my makeup, but today I felt like, okay, I want to go really light on the eyes. So I just wanted like a little dust of pink shadow all over my lids, just like a tint. So then I used a contour kit to create some depth and definition at the outer corner of my eye. Then for lashes, I'm using the pink little lashes in the style Dubai. It's their new style. I'm using my duo lash glue to put it in. And first I'm chopping off the sides. And yep, here's my forehead shots. This is probably my 100th video and I still do not know how to be on frame ever. I always get lost with my lashes, but oh my god, this day was so messy. I got lashes on my lid. It was such a mess. I wanted to cry. But then I went in with some white shadow. Like I just applied on the inner corner and then I was like, okay, it looks fine now. Then I went and fixed my eyebrows. I used some black shadow on the tail of my eyebrows just to make it more dark and thick just for my birthday. Just wanted to try something new. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going in with some lash. So for the next eye, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna put on this lash so you can see. And then like after 3 seconds, great, I'm out of the frame again. And again, this eye got so messed up. I don't know why. Like, I swear, getting ready for your birthday is the scariest thing ever. I messed up again. My lashes, like my eyelid had a lot of glue in it. I had to go fix it again, put on some shadows. And yeah, I had to sit and try this again. There were so many errors with this makeup look. Jesus Christ. Doing makeup for your birthday is the scariest thing ever. If you mess up once, there's no second chance. You have to redo the whole thing again. Okay, then for mascara, I'm using the Sistar Cosmetics mascara and I'm popping it on my top lash only. I only do my lower lash towards the end, like after I'm done with my whole face. So now we're jumping onto my face makeup. I'm first spraying my face with some aloe vera spray. Then I'm using the Professional primer from Benefit. I have such terrible smile lines, you guys. I'm 21, okay? I'm not a grandma. Like, why do I have smile lines at this age? It's too early. Yeah, I hate smile lines. I'm pretty sure I'm getting fillers when I'm 23 on my smile lines. I hate it so much. I keep laughing like a stupid bitch and I talk too much. I need to stop doing that. But yeah, I have really deep smile lines. I fix that in and then I jump onto foundation. This has to be my favorite combination as of now. It's the Fenty. No, wait. I'm first going in with the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. It's the Pro Matte foundation. I'm popping it all over my face with my beauty sponge, and then later on I do add in the Fenty Pro Filter foundation. I'm in the shade 310. I swear to god, this is amazing. This combination has never ever failed me. I think it's the best combination, hands down. I had my makeup on for 15 to 16 hours and I'm so sorry, the sun's out, so the clips just look all washed out. But then I'm going in with some concealer now. I'm using the Kat Von D concealer. It's like my skin tone. I'm just popping it under my eye, blemishes, scars around my mouth, any problematic areas. And then I go in with a super light shadow. Then I go in with a super light shade. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer Tan Sand. I wait for a good 50 seconds or 40 seconds so the concealer kind of thickens up, and then I take my sponge and I blend it in. I swear, my face looks flawless. And I have so many layers on my face, but the reason like it looks so seamless is because of the beauty blender. Like I wet my sponge thoroughly and then I blend it all over my face to give me that seamless look. I swear, brushes, there's a thing with brushes that I don't like. They kind of leave these kind of marks on my face, which I don't like. Then for my powder, I'm using the airspun powder. This is translucent powder, and instead of baking today, I thought of just pushing in the powder onto my face. This kind of locks in the foundation. Foundation was on my face for 15 hours. No creasing, nothing. It honestly locks in any kind of oil on your face. Like there will be no oil production. The oil factory is closed when you use this powder. But the one main problem, the flashback. If you guys didn't know, James Charles, he has the Mary flashback Mary Casper look James Charles had. Yeah, he used the airspun powder too. So I have the same problem. I do get a bit ashy, but I promise you I'm going to show you at the end how to fix it. So for bronzer, I'm using the NYX bronzer to just bronze up my face, and I just realized I didn't blend my damn contour. Oh my god, this is so sad. When I edit my videos, I see this and I genuinely get so depressed. Like, how am I this blind? I did blend it. Like, yeah, this is the clip where I figured out and I'm like, fuck, this is embarrassing. So I just started blending the shit out of my jawline. And then for contour, I'm using the Sleek Makeup Contour Kit, and this brush, oh Lord Jesus, it's so beautiful. It gets right into like the hollows of my cheeks without even me like searching for it, you know. It just gets in, I blend it in, and I also push the product into my sideburns and I kind of pull the product down. I'm also slightly contouring my nose, like I kind of follow the same shadow of my nose, the shape, size, whatever, and then I kind of go over the nose to kind of shorten it a bit, and then I'm going in with some spray. This is the Morphe setting spray. This is my secret to remove all the powderiness of your face. I swear it works. My skin looks glowy as hell. And then I'm just removing off my lip balm right now. I always have lip balm. You want to make sure you remove it off before you go on with your lip products. MAC Cosmetics Cork lip liner, and I'm just lining my lips. This is how my lips look when I don't overline my lips. I hate it. It's so bad. It's awful. So, you know, I had to overline. So I went on like over my top lip, like that's how I do to get me that instant party lips. Then for lipstick, I'm using my Colourpop. Guess what this is? It's Colourpop Buffy liquid lipstick. I had like 5 subscribers when I was obsessed with this, so if you're one of those 5 people and if you're still watching me, that's amazing. I love you. But yeah, this is my favorite liquid lipstick. It's from Colourpop. It's discontinued, so you can use Exposed from Kylie Cosmetics. It's pretty much the same thing. The next like secret or tip is going in with a powder that's almost your skin tone. This is MAC Anncy 43 powder. So this way, when someone takes a picture of me, I know I won't get flashback because this powder saves my ass. Holy grail, everyone should be having one of these powders in your purse. Finally, after powder, I set my face again, go back with the liner again, just to, you know, fix any problems, errors, mistakes here and there. And then finally I'm going in with blush. This blush is MAC Coppertone blush. I don't know, for some reason this blush is stunning on people with black hair. Like I look really good with it when I have black hair on, but I look awful. Like I don't know, it just doesn't look good when I have brown hair. I don't know why, but black hair, amazing. So yeah, I go crazy with the blush, and then we're jumping onto some mascara on my lower lash line.
One last sigh, I'm weak. Don't want to slip my fucking wrist to get an answer out of you.
For highlighter, I'm using the Desi and Katy Chasing the Sun highlighter. I like to pop it right onto my cheeks. I like to like smile and then see where the light hits it naturally, and I pop it in right there. I used to put my highlighter really high, but I'm not a huge fan of that. So this is what I do. So here I'm applying some highlighter on my forehead. I went a little overboard. Like you could see the reflection of the sun, the planets, and Saturn all over my forehead. So I had to fix in with some bronzer. That didn't work. I went in with some powder and it was fine. I love my MAC powder. Then I'm like, let me try some gloss. I love the matte lips, but let me try gloss. So I went in with some NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Praline, and I really liked it. I never do gloss, so I was like, you know what the hell, try something new today. So I went in with some gloss, and this gloss is beautiful on every single skin tone. I'm going in with some blush again. I like to go crazy with the blush. I'm using some of the anti-frizz serum on my hair, and it controls the frizziness in my hair, also makes my hair super shiny and glowy and soft. Like it will not wear your hair down, which I really like. And then I'm using the Melanie Mills Rose Gold. What is this? It's kind of like a body bronzer, or you could use it on your face as well, but I save this just for my body whenever I'm wearing an off-shoulder top, just to make my body skin look smooth and glowy. I apply this all over, and then here I'm using the Johnson's Baby Oil. Now it's actually transparent, but I broke in some bronzer and I mixed it with the oil and I put it all over my body. It just makes me look a little bit more tan and dark. Then I'm using the Artist Couture highlighter. This is a loose powder and it's in the shade Illuminati, I think, and I'm just using the brush to apply all over my body to give me that glowy effect. And then finally I'm using my hair color, just curling the ends. The curls kind of got loose and I wanted to be a little bit tight, so I just curl it once more. And this is the finished hair look. It's soft beachy waves. And for my outfit now, my shoes are from Rose Gal, I don't know how to pronounce that. And my outfit, my beautiful pink satin outfit, is from Pretty Little Thing. They sent it to me. It's beautiful, it's stunning, hugs your body in the right places. I loved my birthday dress. So this is the finished final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do want to say from deep down bottom of my heart, my uterus, I love each one of you so much. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.